If you want to delete a project in Framer, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps in just a moment. This is really useful if you're cleaning up old projects, organizing your dashboard, or removing something you no longer need. And before we get started, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your Framer dashboard and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the project you want to remove. Framer doesn't always let you permanently delete a project right away, so the first step is to archive it. To do that, find the three dot icon next to the project. This little menu contains the options for managing your project. Click those three dots and then select Archive. Once you archive the project, it will be moved out of your main dashboard and placed into the Archive section. Now, after archiving it, go to the Archive tab from the left-hand menu. This is where Framer stores projects that are no longer active but still available for cleanup. Open that archive section and you should see the project you just moved there. From here, you can delete your project. Look for the delete option associated with that archive project, then confirm the action if Framer asks you to verify it. Be careful here, because once a project is deleted, you may not be able to restore it later. So just to recap, the process is, go to your Framer dashboard, click the three dot menu next to the project, archive it, then open the archive tab from the left menu and delete it from there. That's the safest and most straightforward way to remove a project in Framer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Framer tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.